How's it going? Guess what showed up? We got our first shipment of Bowman in the mail today. I got 9 blasters. Got 9 more on the way. I ordered 9 from Target, 9 from Tops. This was the Target ones that showed up first. So yeah, I'm excited to get into it. Knew they were coming. Didn't realize it would be a little bit later today. Usually they come with USPS. This time they shipped them with UPS. So let's get into it. I'm excited. Got my little cheat sheet. Guys we're looking for. We got Drew Jones, Cam Collier. Those are the two big names. Drew Jones, Andrew Jones' son. De Los Santos. He doesn't have an auto in here, but he's got a first Bowman. Jacob Berry, Matt Mervis. He is older, but he crushes. I think he's 24 years old with the Cubs, but just mashes the ball. Junior Caminero, Justin Crawford, Justin Henry Malloy, also no auto, but he'll have his first Bowmans, and Randy DeJesus. So that's my little cheat sheet of who I'm looking for. Let's get into this. I'm excited. Move these guys off to the side. So 6 packs per box, 72 cards per box. So is that 12 cards per pack? Should be 12 cards per pack. You got your retail exclusive green parallel cards in here. You can hit autos, all that stuff. They did not put sounds like pack odds and stuff like that on the actual packs this time. So you got to go through Cardboard Connection, Top, something like that to get pack odds. But I've been watching some people breaking this stuff. Let me double check. Yeah, it's no pack odds or anything on there. I've been watching some people break it and pretty excited about it. So you'll get a mix of paper and chrome in here. We should, hopefully, I would say, get at least 1 parallel per pack or per box, I would think. Being Pascatino. So you're gonna get your vets in the beginning here. Soto. So you got a Brady House insert. Braylon Bishop, Drew Gilbert. So you got your B on the left side. On the top, that's going to be your prospects. B on the upper right side are your pros. Before, I know they would say like prospects somewhere on the sides. But these does not look like it's doing it. So, Eric Brown Jr., Alex Ramirez. Not first on either of those, but they are prospects. So it looks like you get 2 chrome cards plus a insert in each pack. I'll try not to show the back cards in, obviously, because that's going to be one of the prospects. Jazz. Got some busted up looking corners on some of these. So not really looking for any of the paper anyways. A lot more interested in the chrome cards. So Jackson Cheerio, Edward Julian. This is his first Bowman. He's like 23, 24. But 24. He just came up with the Twins this year, and actually he played really well. So I was pretty pumped about that. Went to look for his Bowmans right off the bat, and there were none to be found because he didn't have one yet. All right, looks like we got a refractor. Colton Cowser. I don't believe it's a refractor. I forget what they're calling these. Maybe it's just a refractor. But I think they're going with a different name. Yeah, they got like the moon craters and stuff like that on there. Not numbered or anything, but I forget what the parallel is that they call this. I'll have to look it up. Non-first. For our first colored hit there. Matt Olson. Brett Beatty. Aguero. Kyle Harrison. Gavin Cross. Dominguez. There's our first. Yenyer Fernandez. And Brian Acuna for the Twins. It's Ronald Acuna's younger brother. 18 years old. Hopefully he'll be as good as his brother. Either of his brothers. I know Luis Angel is also coming up in the league. Salvi. Garrett Mitchell. Rookie of the Year favorites. Don't think he's going to be a Rookie of the Year. Gabriel Martinez. Tamar Jackson. There is Davison De Los Santos. I'm just going to call him Grand Theft Auto. First Bowman. A little bit of surface issues on these. Doesn't look deep or anything, but definitely a little bit of surface issue. So that's our first big name. He's 19 years old. Crushes the ball. Like that. Wish we could get a little bit of color on that, but it's alright. So that is a first. Like I said, he does not have an auto in here. Kenny Gomez. First. It was him and Justin Henry Malloy that did not have autos. Those top 10 prospects that I was looking for. Hunter Green. Shohei. Harper. O'Neal Cruz. Sucks that O'Neal Cruz is out. Alright, no insert in here. There's Matt Mervis. The other name I was talking about. He's like 24, but just crushed in AAA. OPS at 984 last year. 36 home runs. Slugging over 600. Got some power. But age-wise for prospects, he's old as rocks. So that doesn't really help his collectability. But the dude comes up and just starts mashing the ball. People are going to forget about his age for a little bit. Alright, so we got a couple big names so far. Jose Peraza. And the last pack here. So no color. Well, I guess we did have the Colton Cowser. God, I wish I knew what that was called. Something. Noel Jones. Tristan Casas. Jonkenzie Noel. That's how it is. Number 93 on the prospect list on the top 100. All right, Khalil Watson. He's been he had a first Bowman, I think it was last year, but just been nothing but issues with him. Personal stuff, just not a mature dude, it sounds like. Tamar Johnson. All right, so that's it for the first box. So, unfortunately, no auto, no big color, no numbered parallels. But we did have the, I don't know, Lunar. I think it might be called Lunar, now that I think about it. Where it's got the, like, moon background or Mars or something. All right, box number 2. Let's go. Miguel Vargas, Jeremy Pena, Corbin Carroll, Yordani De Los Santos, right there. Grand Theft Auto. Let's go. Figueroa, Arroyo, Alex Sanchez. Is he on there? He was not on my list. Alex Sanchez. I do believe he is a decent prospect, though. 20 years old, 21 years old. 875 OPS last year. Not too bad. First Bowman. Or Axel Sanchez. That's what it is. Axel. Anthony Gutierrez. Not Alex. Axel Rose. Axel Rose Sanchez. Seiya Suzuki. Jordan. Manny. Got a Henry Davis. Sights in September. The inserts are always so nice looking in Bowman. They really are. I wish inserts had any value whatsoever. Looks like we got another Lunar in here. We got a Wilbur Sanchez. Not to be confused with Axel Sanchez. Wilbur. And then we got a Tony Blanco Jr. That I'm just gonna keep calling it Lunar. I like the name Lunar Parallel. Let's see right down here. See like the little craters and stuff like that. Moon rocks. We're just gonna call them moon rocks. Let's go moon rocks. Got a little T-Bell. A little Baja Blast action. Had to run some errands. The wife didn't want to decide where to eat, so she gave me the reins. She did not like my choice. Jordan Groshans, Mookie Betts, Guy Rosario. Alright, what do we got here? Jet Williams, 74th on the top 100 list. Matt Mervis Paper, Henry Davis, Michelle Deson. Michelle Deson. First Bowman. Trey Sweeney. Non-first prospect. Alright, 3 packs left in this box. Need to get a little color going. Come on. Kyle Stowers. Cunha. A. Ron Judge. Got a Riley Green. Rookie of the Year. Tony Blanco. Alright. Framey De Leon. First Bowman. And a Chase DeLauter. Alright, 2 left. Ooh, that's a hot pack. You know it's a hot pack when it's jumping out of your hands. Got a Juan, Nolan Arenado, Jazz. Alright, it's our first look at this insert. I think this is called Spotlight. Spotlight insert or something like that. Nice looking card. Riley Green. Rookie. Kind of like that. I'm going to throw that in a sleeve. And like I said, nobody's collecting inserts, but I like that one. I can waste a penny sleeve on it. Colby Thomas. Got another Henry Davis. And a Javier Osorio. Javier Osorio. Alright, last pack here. Last pack. Let's hit something. Let's hit something. Jose Ramirez, Vato, Rabati, Beatty, whatever it is. Roderick Arias, number 85 on the top 100 list. Being interesting to, I'm sure there's people out there that collect it, but all 100 of the top 100 prospects. Jackson Churio, Randy DeJesus. Randy DeJesus. He is on my list. There is another hit for the list. DeJesus. Man, I cannot get these things into these top loaders today. See, age on him, 18 years old. I think he was in the Dominican League. No stats on him. Luis Garcia. first. All right, last box. Still no serial numbers. Nada. We can't get skunked through 3 of these. Let's hedge my bets that blaster is the way to go. I may be proving myself wrong. But for the same price as one hobby box, I picked up 18 blasters. So I'm only ripping a small amount. But one hobby box, you're guaranteed one auto. You'll probably get, from what I've seen, about 3 serial numbers. So we'll see if we can beat that. If we can beat that with the old blaster boxes here. Rafaela, Modern Prospects. Dean Jorge, Carlos Jorge, Mikey Romero, Cam Collier. There we go. Another top prospect. He's up there in the top 3, I'd say. I mean, out of this product, I'd say between him and Drew Jones are probably going to be your top money getters right out of the gate. Just because they've had so much hype on them. Was he 19 years old? Drafted 18th overall by the Reds last year. So 6'2", 210. He's a big boy, ready to just mash balls. Mashing balls. So we're loading up those first, just not getting the color that we need. Max Meyer, Mike Trout. That's the first Trout we've seen. Bobby Witt, Jackson Churio. Sights on September insert. Luciano, Dominguez again. Got a Dylan O'Reilly. Oh, we got a nice one coming. Why did I just... I'm not sure why I sleeved that. I'm losing my mind. Yordani De Los Santos. Well, shoot. Now I got 2 De Los Santos. Which one's the good one? I think Davison. Yeah, Davison's the good one. That's the one you're looking for, is Davison. Yeah. I got the wrong De Los Santos. But that's another one of those moon rocks. The Lunars. Alright, we're going to move some of this stuff around here. Moving some stuff. So, you get one of those Lunars per box, it looks like. So, that's what we're at. We're at 3 of those. Got a picky here? I think we got something. Libertor. We got something. What is this? Ooh, serial numbered. Is that Josh Young? Yep, Josh Young. That spotlight green, it looks like. To 125. Josh Young. Rookie card there. Thicker top loader. First serial number, all right. Hoping it was an auto. Backwards, but no auto. Colson Montgomery. Juan Brito. Man, look at those lines. Look at that print issue right there. Oof. Juan Brito. Max Muncy. It's going to be hard pulling PSA 10s out of this if that's the kind of print quality we're getting. 3 packs left. 3 packs. Really want to hit an auto. Come on. Hit a lot of autos last year out of this stuff. Hoping it would carry over. Vaughn Grissom. Oh, there is a rookie. I was like, where's the rookie logo? Shea Langoliers. Rookie of the Year favorites. Not really, though. Edwin Arroyo. Ryan Clifford. First. And a Jace Bowen. Jace Bowen. Not on my list. Neither is old Ryan Clifford. A lot of rookies in here. A lot of rookie paper. There's a Julio. It's the first Julio I've seen. Oswaldo Peraza. Owen Gorman. Vladdy. No insert in this one. Ronnie Simon. And a Henry Ramos. A couple of firsts. Centering and stuff's been looking really good, so there is that. Good centering. All right. Final pack here. Not looking promising. Michael Harris. Got a Jace Young. 51 on the top 100. Yordani De Los Santos, the wrong De Los Santos. Anthony Paguero. Juan Olmos. Oh, there we go. A little, what is that? Yellow. A yellow Josh Baez. Non-first, but that box came through with 2 colored cards. Dos Coloros. Josh Baez. 20 years old. Drafted in round 2 of 2021. For the Cards. That's a little too thick. That thick boy is too thick. Alright. So 3 boxes. The one box had 2 parallels. With the yellow and the looks to be a green with Josh Young. And then we had the Lunars, that's what we're going to call them. The Tony Blanco Jr. first. Colton Cowser. Yordani De Los Santos. It's the wrong De Los Santos, unfortunately. And then our top prospects. Got a Cam Collier, Randy DeJesus, Matt Mervis, and Davison De Los Santos, or as I like to call him, Grand Theft Auto. We're just going to call him Grand Theft Auto. So yeah, that was 3 boxes. So 2 parallels, no autos. But I will be opening some more, just to kind of get a good idea. I'm still thinking that retail is the way to go, in my opinion. But we will find out eventually when it's all said and done. But the price of a hobby box, jumbos are going for $600 for 3 autos. It's just, those prices are ridiculous in my opinion. So I'm not spending that kind of money on a hobby box just to get what I feel like I'll probably be able to pull out retail. But to each their own. I mean, if you want those guaranteed autos, that's going to be the way to go. But for me, I'm a little more of a gambling man. And to me, this is just a better gamble. So we have 4 of the top 10 prospects, 2 numbered, 1 to 75, which is pretty sick. Unfortunately, not a first. But yeah, last year just crushed on these. We'll see how it goes. I'm pretty excited. I don't know. Maybe I'll even open another couple boxes tonight. I guess we'll find out. So, hope you liked it. Hope you got some information. Hit that like button. Hit subscribe. And I'll see you next week.